Learning English is easy. I make it a habit. How did I make it a habit? Because some of our actions are performed automatically and some of the actions are performed habitually. Our brain is developed in such a way that it likes to do easy, interesting, satisfying things at its best. It avoids to do the things which are difficult, boring, inaccessible, and which are difficult also. So, how to make your English learning easy as well as a habit of yours that you can perform as you are scrolling on your mobile phone, as you are doing your habitual or automatic works like brushing your teeth, taking your food, having your sleep, or eating your lunch or breakfast or dinner. So how can you do it? How can you make your mind acceptable to do English learning? Because when you perform a thing out of your comfort zone, your brain says stop, you can't do this, you cannot do this. It feels reluctant. So how to remove this reluctance period and how to prepare your brain to make English learning a habit or a action of automatic nature, we are going to discuss with three basic points. Number one thing is that you have to make English language as an accessible and easy thing. Now how can you do it as an accessible and easy things? The basic mistake which all English learners at the beginning level they perform, that they make English language a difficult process, inaccessible process. How they do it? For example, they say that they will cover whole English syllabus in just 1 month. At one day or on the very first day, they are very motivated, they perform their task very well. But as the days passes and they observe that they can't perform it, they become demotivated. They get demotivated, they get disinterested in their task. So what they do? They leave. So what you have to do, you have to make English learning as an accessible and easy thing. For example, I am going to learn 10 idioms every day. Now you are learning 10 idioms easily. You can learn 10 idioms easily on the daily basis, and it gives you the motivation, it gives you energy, it gives you the feeling of conquerness that I can conquer, I can win, I can do these things. So if you are taking these things easily, your brain will say that you can perform, you can carry on your learning of English language. The second very important thing is that you have to make your English learning an interesting phenomena. How can you do this? In which area do you take interest? Sports, traveling, news, fashion, books reading, whatever you like, you have to adopt that genre. If you like to read novel, go for it. If you like to read romantic or detective novels, go for reading it. If you are really passionate about reading about travels, or you are passionate about watching about traveling videos, you should watch to go those traveling videos in English language. If you are really eager to know about what's being cooked in English language, you have to select the videos on cooking. So in this way you are making your English learning as an interesting thing, not a boring thing, because our brain accepts only the interesting facts, interesting videos, interesting material, interesting journey. So number second point is that you have to adopt the interesting things. Number three is very thing, you have to make English language as a satisfying phenomena, as a satisfying journey. How can you do this? You have to build a habit that this English journey is going to fulfill my dreams. It is only the means of communication. This is the only channel through which I can fulfill all my dreams. I can get my job, I can pass my exam, I can go abroad, I can clear an interview, I can get the prestigious place in this society. So if you build your English learning around these three objects, around these three things, your English learning will be easy, interesting, accessible, satisfying, and your brain will get motivated all around, and it will not say no, but rather it will say yes. Hope you would find this video an interesting one. If you liked my video, kindly share and subscribe the channel and hit that bell icon, because it motivates me to make much more interesting videos for you guys. Till the next video, stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.